Welcome to our discussion on your rights after wrongful firing in East Los Angeles. We'll explore key aspects of California employment law focusing on wrongful termination, employee rights, and legal protections available to you. Wrongful termination occurs when an employee is fired for illegal reasons, such as discrimination or retaliation. Documenting incidents and gathering witness statements are crucial for strengthening your case. Employees should act quickly to collect evidence and consult with employment lawyers to safeguard their rights. Retaliation is a major issue, with about 50% of wrongful firing cases involving it. Strengthen your claim with written documentation and witness support. Act quickly to protect your rights. Connecting with East Los Angeles attorneys can significantly aid in navigating wrongful firing situations. In California, wrongful firing occurs when termination violates state or federal law, an employment contract, or public policy. Despite being an at-will state, legal lines protect against discrimination and retaliation. The Fair Employment and Housing Act prohibits firing based on race, gender, or other protected characteristics, and safeguards those engaging in protected activities. Common wrongful termination scenarios include being fired after reporting safety violations, requesting disability accommodations, or complaining about unpaid wages. Retaliation for taking protected family or medical leave is also illegal. Discrimination based on religion, race, gender, or national origin is prohibited. Understanding these protections is crucial to defending your rights. Wrongful termination often masquerades as restructuring or performance issues. Common scenarios include retaliation after reporting harassment, firing after requesting disability accommodations, termination following wage complaints, dismissal after protected leave, and whistleblower retaliation. Recognizing these patterns helps identify wrongful termination in East Los Angeles workplaces. Timing is crucial in wrongful termination cases. Courts recognize temporal proximity as key evidence. Strong documentation and witness statements boost success rates to 63%. Start a private log immediately after any concerning event. Seek experienced East Los Angeles lawyers for evaluation, often at no upfront cost. To build a strong wrongful firing claim, start by gathering written evidence like emails and performance reviews. Identify witnesses who can support your case, report issues through official channels, and document every step. These actions create a solid foundation for your claim, leveraging your rights under California law to access personnel files. Creating a paper trail is crucial. File a complaint with the California Civil Rights Department or Equal Employment Opportunity Commission if necessary, adhering to strict time limits. Consult a local employment attorney before signing any severance package to avoid waiving legal rights. Data shows combining written records and witness statements boosts case success to 63%. California law prohibits employer retaliation against employees who report violations or participate in investigations. If your employer takes adverse actions like demotion or negative references, it's a separate legal violation. Preserve all evidence immediately by saving emails, texts, and voicemails to a personal device or cloud account not controlled by your employer. Avoid discussing legal plans at work to prevent complications. Protect your reputation by being cautious on social media. Reach out to employee rights organizations for guidance. Consider your financial situation and explore unemployment options, as wrongful termination doesn't disqualify you from benefits in California. Most wrongful firing cases remain unreported due to informal pressures, despite California's legal protections. Fear of stigma in tight-knit communities like East Los Angeles deters complaints. Economic urgency forces many to accept poor severance instead of seeking justice. Change begins with community solidarity, empowering individuals to speak up and challenge these pressures. Unreported wrongful firing cases cost workers millions annually in lost wages and benefits. Legal representation through contingency arrangements can help, as you pay nothing unless you win. Speak with a local East Los Angeles lawyer who understands your challenges and is ready to fight for your deserved outcome. Wrongful firing differs from at-will termination when it violates protected rights, like retaliation or discrimination, which are illegal in California. If wrongfully fired in East Los Angeles, gather evidence and consult a local employment attorney immediately. Employers cannot legally retaliate if you file a complaint. Retaliation is illegal in California. Employees are protected when asserting their rights, and any adverse action in response to a complaint is a separate violation. Retaliation accounts for about 50% of reported violations, though the actual rate may be higher due to unreported cases.